What would it need to make your store even more engaging and interactive? I think I might have an interesting solution to show you. Let's have a look.
Attractive digital signage using the latest displays and projectors can be used to engage with customers and provide a memorable experience for them. In front of the store, in the store, everywhere. Professional displays with high brightness from 43 to 98 inch and 4 Kelvin are Panasonic in-house technology for high-traffic environments and always on operation. Digital signage can be fully connected and integrated into the overall store concept. Connected with electronics shelf labels, for example, customer experience can be enhanced. Together with third-party providers, easy implementation is ensured.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the last couple of weeks in our virtual insights in our Customer Experience Center in Munich. Please feel free to book a face-to-face tour with us. You will find the link below. We love to hear from you.